Hi guys, in this video we're given two different vector equations and we're being asked to find the angle between the lines with the vector equations. So what we're going to do first is establish the direction vectors. So in this case that's this here and this here. We're going to start by calling one of them A. So we'll call A 1, 2, minus 1, just this column vector. And we'll call this column vector B. So that's 3, 1, minus 2. Now that we've got those two direction vectors out of the way, we can actually substitute them into this equation to find the value of theta. So A dot B is the dot product of the two vectors that we just formed. That's 1, 2, minus 1 with the dot product of 3, 1, minus 2. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1 times minus 2 is positive 2. Adding those together, that'll give you 7, and that's your numerator of the fraction. The modulus of A is the modulus of this column vector here. So that's the square root. So it's basically like in 3D Pythagoras. It's the I component all squared plus the j component all squared plus the k component all squared. I did that beforehand, and in exact form I just left it as root 6, so you're fine to do that. Similarly, we'll do the same thing for the modulus of b. The square root of 3 squared plus 1 squared plus minus 2 all squared, and I'd recommend you put in a bracket just like we did here. Just for the sake of time, I'll just let you guys know that that'll be root 14, and we can now substitute that into this expression. So I said the numerator of the fraction is just 7, so that's 7 divided by the modulus of root 6 multiplied by the modulus of root 14. Put all of that into a calculator and you'll get a value of 0.7638. Now that we know cos of theta is equal to this value here, we can do the inverse cos of both sides to get that theta is the inverse cos of everything here. This can be a little bit lazy and just put an arrow there. And that will give you a value of 40.2 degrees, as long as your calculator is in radians. This happens to be an acute angle, so that's perfect. Acute meaning it's between 0 and 90. And yeah, that's everything for that video. So that's how you can find the angle between two different lines with two different vectors equations. Be sure to leave a like if this video did help and subscribe. I'd appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching your video. I hope it helped. If you have any tutoring inquiries for A-level further maths, be sure to hit my website up at www.excelineducation.co.uk.